Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the literature portion. The name of the book was Honeysuckle, but today we will discuss the supplementary reader. The name of the book is A Pact with the Sun. This is your book. And in this book we will discuss the chapter 4. That the name of the chapter is, the name of the title is The Old Clock Saw. Yes students, this is the story of an old man and he had a saw. Yes students, it is given at the page number 11 of your supplementary reader. Yes students, just open your book of supplementary reader and open the page number 11. That is The Old Clock Saw. Dear students, today we will discuss this story in detail. So just see. Christmas Eve had arrived. Dear students, in the story start with the Christmas Eve. The Christmas Eve had arrived. Christmas Eve is a kind of festival that is celebrated by the Christians. But nowadays it is celebrated by all kinds of all religions. Okay, just see. At last minute, shoppers were going home. Shoppers means buyer. Shoppers means buyer. Yes, students, shoppers. S-H O-P-P-E-R. Shopper means buyer. Just see. At last minute, shoppers were going home, and it was night. It is the time of night. In the night, shoppers were going home, and shoppers were going home. A thick white sheet of snow lay over the Salt Lake City, USA. Yes, students, a thick white sheet of snow lay. It means here it is depicted that it is cold season. There was a great winter. Okay, white sheet of snow. It means there is snowfall in that city. Where? In Salt Lake City. In which city? In Salt Lake City, which is in USA, United States of America. Okay, students, just see. At last minute, shoppers were going home. In the last minute, it means in the night. In the night, when the shoppers were going home, at that time a thick white sheet of snow lay over Salt Lake City. At that time, what happened? A sheet of snow layer. Salt Lake City, USA. It means it was very cold on that day. On the Christmas Eve, there is very cold in USA. Yet the lights were still burning in the old clock shop. But all the shops were closed. But there is a shop that is old clock shop, and that there were also still burning the what? Yet the lights were still burning in red in the old clock shop. And in the old clock shop there is light is burning. Okay, their light is burning. It means the shop is going to be closed, or the shop is still open. Just see. A thick white sheet of snow lay over Salt Lake City, USA. Yet the lights were still burning in the old clock shop. As Ray is the name of a man. Shopkeepers, you see, yet the lights were still burning in the old shop as Ray, its old deep owner. Who was the owner of this shop? An old man, and who was also deaf, who could not hear. You see, old deaf owner worked on the clock he had sold that day, and he was working with the clocks. It means he was also repairing the clocks. He also purchased the old clocks from the buyers, from the shoppers, and he repairs that shop and sells again. Therefore, the name of the shop is the Old Clock Shop. Here in this shop, we can also return the old watch or clock, and at that place we can purchase the new shop, new clock or watch. Okay, students? So just see here, work on the clock he had sold that day. He was working, Mr. Ray was working, or you can say Mr. Ray was repairing the clock or watch. Okay, students? Come to the next page and the next paragraph. Just see. Come to the page number 12. Just see, students. Having finished his work, now Mr. Ray, after having finished his work, Ray stood up. Now the Ray stood up. It means he was also going to close his shop. But what happened? Having finished his work, Ray stood up. He stood up and was on his way to the back room. And he was going to the back room. It means he was going to close the shop. But what happened? Ray stood up and was on his way to the back room when a cold rush of air from front door. But at that moment when he was going to close, at that moment there is from the front door there is a rush of air. Hit the back of his neck. Hit the back of his neck. It means someone arrived in the shop at that time when he was going to close his shop, or when he was moving backward. At that moment a person came from the main door or from the front door, and he realized that moment. He realized that cold water, rush of air, cold air, cold rush of air. Okay, you see who had come. He turned to meet a last minute shoppers. When he understood that someone has come, then he turned to meet the last minute shoppers. You see, he turned to meet the last minute shoppers. Last minute shopper means the last customer, the last shopper, the last buyer. He turned to meet a last minute shopper, but his old wise eyes told him that this was not a shopper, but he was so much experienced. That man, Mr. Ray, was so much experienced that he could understood that he was not a shopper. Just see. But his old wise eyes told him that this was not a shopper. He understood that this man is not a shopper. He saw two men, one in his 20s. He saw two men. There were two men. And first one is in his 20s. In his 20 means between 20 to 30 years. In his 20 means between 20 to 30 years. The first man, the age of the first man was between 20 to 30. Okay? And the other closer to 50. And the other person was closer to 50. 50 years. Just see. The other closer to 50. The younger man remained at the door. But the younger man, this man was remained at the door. The older man approached the counter, but the older man, he approached to the counter of the shop. The younger man remained at the door. The older man approached the counter with no sign of friendliness in his eyes. With no sign of friendliness in his eyes. Actually, that man come to loot him. Okay? Just see. The older man approached the counter with no sign of friendliness in his eyes. Ray was able to hide his growing fear. Now Mr. Ray was also fearing, because at that time there were no other people were there, and he was alone in the shop, and there were two men. One is about 20 between 20 to 30, and another is about 50 years old. And the man who is about 50 years old, he approached to the counter, and now the Mr. Ray have understood that these two men were not shoppers. You see, the older man approached the counter with no sign of friendliness in his eyes. There is no sign of friendliness in his eyes, in the eyes of this man who is about 50 years old. Ray was able to hide his growing fear, and now Mr. Ray was fearing, but he was trying to hide the fear. As he slowly pushed the notepad and pencil across the counter, as he pushed the notepad and pencil across the counter, okay, because he could not hear the words of the other, therefore he pushed the notepad and pencil across the counter, okay, so that the buyer could write whatever he needs, whatever he or she wants, because he was unable to hear the words of the other people. Okay, come to the next paragraph. He smiled at the unfriendly face. You see, he smiled at the unfriendly face. He smiled. It is not real smile. Okay, he smiled at the unfriendly face. Then pointed to his ears, and then he pointed to his ears. Mr. Ray, he smiled. Mr. Ray smiled, but it was what kind of expression? Unfriendly face expression was there. Okay, there is no feeling of friendliness, because Mr. Ray have understood that these two men were not shoppers. You see, they smiled at the unfriendly face. Then he pointed to his ears. Then after showing that notepad and pencil, he said that he pointed his ears. You see, he pointed his ears and shook his head side to side. He pointed his ears like that, and then after shook his head like this side. It means he was unable to hear the words of the people. Okay? A quick look of surprise changed the man's face, and a quick look of surprise changed the man's face. Now he studied the notepad. He studied the notepad, and then turned and said something to his friend. And then this man, who is about the 50 years old, he turned to the man who is about 20 or 30 years old and said something to his friend. अपने फ्रेंड से कुछ कहा. Ray used the chance to look closely at the man. Now, when he moved backward, at that moment, Mr. Ray got chance to look at the man. What he looked? He used the chance to look closely at the man. He looked the chance to look closely at the man, paying attention to the shape of gun. He paid attention to the shape of gun, because that man had also kept a gun. Paying attention to the shape of a gun and restless hand. And he also felt that, Mr. Ray also felt that his hand is restless. And he had also kept the gun in his pocket. Hand in the man's right coat pocket. In the right coat's pocket, he found that his hand is restless, and he also observed the shape of the gun. Okay? Anger boiled within him, and anger boiled within him. It means he was big anger. But it was kept down by inner voice. But it was kept by the inner voice. That be still. He wrote on the notepad. He wrote on the notepad, be still. May I help you? He mentioned on the notepad, he has written on the notepad what? May I help you? For the first time, the older man looked directly to the ray and smiled. And at the first time, the older man looked directly at the ray and smiled. And a cruel mocking smile. It was cruel mocking smile. That was not real smile. Cruel mocking smile. That was dangerous smile, you can say. That was fearful smile, you can say. A cruel mocking smile. They both understood why he was there. They both understood that why he was there. Why his friend remained at the door. And he also understood, Mr. Ray also understood that why he was there at the door. One person is standing at the door and another person is approached to the counter. Why his friend remained at the door? They looked like men who were down on their luck. Who were down in their luck. Who were down in their luck. Down in their luck means in difficult situation. Down in their luck means in difficult situation. And they looked like men who were down on their luck. They seemed, both men, these two men looked like what? Down on their luck. It means both were had any kind of problem, both were in dire need of money or in difficult situation and were now ready to try something they would be sorry about. But they were ready to try something they would be sorry about. Okay, students, they will try to do something. Although they all have understood the situation, there may be happened something wrong. But what happened to the next? Just see. Students, come to the next paragraph. This is also given at the page number 12. Last paragraph which is given at the page number 12. You see. The clocks ticked on. Now, the clock ticked on. Ray calmly wrote another message. Mr. Ray again calmly wrote another message on the notepad. Have you come to pick up a watch, clock or watch? He asked. Have you come up to pick up a clock or watch? Then he pointed the loan boards, and there was also a loan board. There was also a loan board in the old clock shops. And just see. Then he pointed the loan board filled with the hanging clocks. That was filled with the hanging clocks. The rate of that clocks were given there and loan also mentioned there. Board filled with the hanging clocks and pockets watch. And hanging clock and pocket watches. He was not a pawnbroker. He was not a pawnbroker. Pawnbroker means गिरवी या दलाल के रूप में रखना. He was not a pawnbroker, but at the same time couldn't say no. But at that time the situation was not so good. It was the time of night. Therefore, he couldn't say no. To needy people who placed their old watch or clock before him or anything they could get. And here the person in the shop can return the old clock or old watch, and they can also get at the place of old clock or watch, they can get some money, they can get the new clocks. Okay, just see, it is written here, the needy people who placed their old watch or clock before him for anything they could get. They could get anything. He loaned more than he should. He loaned more than he should. He would be there when the owners wanted them back, and he would be back. वो वापस भी कर सकता है जब इसको अगर लोनर अगर कोई इसे दोबारा लेके जाना चाहता है तो वापस भी दे जा सकता है. Yes, see, he loaned more than he should. They would be there when the owner wanted them back. And लोन वापस करने के बाद वो व्यक्ति फिर उसे उस वॉच को और उस चीज को वापस भी ले सकता है. At the same price he had paid with no interest. At the same price without any kind of interest. Okay. Come to the next paragraph. Then the older man seemed to feel a little easier. Now the older man, who is about 50 years old, he seemed to feel easier. Little easier. Took out his hand from his pocket, and that man took out his hand from his pocket and quickly looked at the watch on his wrist. And quickly looked at his watch in his wrist. How much will you give me for this? And that man, who is about 50 years old, he showed that clock which was in his wrist. He showed that clock, watch, and asked her, what he asked her, how much will you give me for this? इस वॉच के बदले में तुम मुझे कितना दोगे? The man wrote, because he could not hear. Mr. Ray could not hear. He was unable to hear the voice of the people. Therefore, that man wrote the message. What he wrote? How much will you give me for this? He wrote, the man wrote. Ray noticed a little shame in his grey eyes looking at him. And now just see, Mr. Ray noticed that a little shame in his grey eyes and looking at him. The watch was nothing special, and the watch was nothing special. It was not costly. It was not precious. वो अच्छा वॉच नहीं था. It had great powers, but that watch has great power because it was the time of night. Both men can kill Mr. Ray. No persons were there. What can he do? Therefore, it is mentioned here. It is written here. It had great power. उस वॉच की कीमत कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन तब भी उसके पास पावर है. It was something to exchange. It was something to exchange. इसके बदले में वो कुछ ले सकता है, बदल सकता है. A way out of bad situation. Mr. Ray thought that it was the thing. It was the way out of bad situation. इस बैड सिचुएशन से, खराब परिस्थिति से निकलने का यही एक रास्ता है. इस घड़ी को ले लो और इसके बदले में कुछ उसे दे दो, so that person could go away from there. It was something special to exchange, a way out of bad situation, knowing that great need had brought to the man to his shop in the first place. And it was the great need of both men who brought at that shop. And they asked, how much you need for this? Of it? Mr. Ray asked that, how much you need for it? तुम्हें इस वॉच के बदले में कितना चाहिए? The reply came back on the notepad. And the reply came back again on the notepad. How much do you need for whatever it's worth? जो कुछ भी इसकी कीमत हो. The man replied, the man who is about 50 years old replied, whatever it's worth. जो कुछ भी इसकी कीमत होगी. Okay, students, just see, Ray reached into his cash box. Now Mr. Ray reached to his cash box, pulled out the $50 note, and Mr. Ray pulled out the $50 note and passed it to the man's hand, and he also passed that the $50 note to the man. As they shook hands, Ray looked into the man's eyes, and Ray looked into the man's eyes while giving that dollars. They seemed to say, "Thank you." Turn the page, students, and they seemed to say that, "Thank you." They both knew the watch wasn't worth that much. दोनों जानते थे कि उस वॉच की कीमत उतनी नहीं थी, $50 नहीं थी, लेकिन मिस्टर रे ने उसे $50 दिया. बिफोर टर्निंग टू लीव द मैन रोड. अब वो आदमी जाते वक्त लिखा, क्या लिखा? आई विल बी बैक टू पिक इट अप एज सुन एज आई कैन. मैं इस अपने वॉच को लेने के लिए जल्द ही आऊंगा. मैरी क्रिसमस. एंड इट वॉज द टाइम ऑफ मैरी क्रिसमस. Come to the last paragraph. The little story ended on half hours. This little story ended on half hours with the clocks striking. Striking means ringing. And now it is the time of 12 o'clock, and the clock is ringing all together. एक साथ सब clock क्या हो गए? बजने लगे. The time pieces means table clocks. You see here, the time pieces which had been looking on silently all while. It was looking silently all while, rang out the time with such feeling, and it also rang out with that feeling of peace, prosperity. Just see, feeling that Mr. Ray thought he could hear them. That Mr. Ray thought that he could hear them. Their sweet musical message was filled the home, and the sound, the ringing sound which was produced by that was, it filled the musical message filled with the hope. It was hopeful music. The timeless message, peace on earth, and timeless message, peace on earth, and it also gave the message peace on earth. Goodwill towards all, and there should be goodwill towards all, and filled by 3 men, and there were 3 men. These 3 men felt that there should be peace all around, there should be goodwill all around, who stood in the old clock shop. And these 3 men were standing there in the old clock shop, and at the last they feel that there should be peace on earth. There should be goodwill on the earth. Although these 2 men came there to loot the Mr. Ray, they may be killed, but there is something goodwill in the heart of Mr. Ray. Okay? Therefore, he gave him $50 note for that not so precious watch. Okay, so this is all about the story. You will try to read it. If you find any kind of difficulties in that, you can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. In the next class, we will discuss the word meaning, question answer, and exercises given in this chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.